singing, strange this feeling I'm feeling. Oh, Jah love, we will always believe in. Though you may think my faith is in vain, till Shiloh we chat Rastafari is name. And that's why man, the big boy warring come from jail, you know. I bet the life gets you know. When he come from jail, my big boy we name Marcus man. Marcus. Yeah man, Marcus. He da run the studio when he gone. And I link with Ayactane. One a pretty rasta, we put it in code from Spanish Town. In live in Florida, I say, you know. Two of them in a link, and send and show out of Buju studio, and Buju there jail, and to come like him never like it. When he come out of jail, he run a Ayactane, him and him boy war physical fight. Everybody know about that. Physical fight in a yard, up a studio yard, up off Red Hills Road there. And when me put 2 and 3 together, me say, yo, that youth, his mother, you know, that brother hurt his mother whole heap over the time, and that a bubble up in him with some other things. And that's why Buju and him boy are, you know. And and since then it's been Buju drama, back a Buju drama, back a Buju drama. To me, this have to be the icing on the cake when your baby mother one of them come out and start them say live. And we're boy, you can't say that about Buju. Buju, I'm saying that about you. I'm just saying that your baby mother saying this about you, dude, as a big man who is a conscious rasta. What go on with the conscious rasta them? What go on? What go on with the consciousness in a dancehall and reggae circuit? May I hear a man, Rasta man, baby mother, who never, see mother give me a rope and a man give me that rose. Me tell you that already, don't give me nothing, you know. Don't give me nothing on TikTok. Because I'm like, wow, go on. In a dancehall and TikTok is such an integral part of dancehall right now. And I'm talking about Buju, I don't want to lose the point. Because dancehall, the man they build dancehall. And right now, some whole freaky thing in baby mother say. She who call him now as a baby mother. I go here say she have to go come sex him. That a while. Like either she have to go wait out her room when 3 of them line up and one in there already. And one after the other. I don't know, tell you the truth, you know. I don't know if I saw it going on. Based on how she talk it, you don't know. I don't know if I 3-4 of them on one big giant bed. But you can afford as a 20, 24, 26-year-old millionaire popular man in Jamaica who's singing, strange this feeling I'm feeling. Oh, Jah love, we will always believe in. Though you may think my faith is in vain, till Shiloh we chat Rastafari is name. And them thing the Buju that singing at that time then.
Me work hard for the paper, so me a king of Jamaica.